Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Brandon and this is Style So Dapper. And today I'm bringing you guys another unboxing of Birchbox for the month of April. Now for those of you who don't know what Birchbox is, there's actually two of them. They have Birchbox for women and they have Birchbox for men. And that's the one I get, is the Birchbox Man. So basically you get various items that are like face washes and face lotions, suntan lotions, shaving cream, bar soaps, various things like that, toiletry items. For the women's side, you get makeup items pretty much. And the way it works is every month they send you sample items of different products of different brands. So you can kind of get exposed to, different things. And for the price, it's pretty cheap. It's only 10 bucks a month. $10 a month. Every month they send you a little box of goodies like this, but it actually comes in a big orange box. But you get the sample items. Everything is going to be a sample item. So for this month, we're going to unbox it and see what we got, and then we're going to come back. So let's check that out. Alright guys, so that was the quick unboxing of the Birchbox, and just so you guys know, that you understand, I'll show the items one more time, a little bit closer up so you guys can get an idea of what they are. But so the first item was face wipes. Cool little things, you get 5 of them, exfoliate your face, pretty cool I guess. And then if you're wondering what was in that plastic bag, I'm not sure why they put it in a plastic bag, but you get some superhero shave cream. I've actually never heard of this brand, but I'll try it out. As you can tell, I don't do a lot of shaving. The next thing was Facial Fuel Energizing Face Wash by Kiehl's. There you go. Now this brand I've heard of before. I've seen them in Dillard's and things like that. And then we got Kiehl's again, Close Shaver Squadron Smooth Glider Shave Lotion. Let's see, there we go. Pretty cool. Various things like that. And then you got some charcoal face wash, and everybody's about that charcoal. I've tried charcoal before, but I wasn't really a big fan. This is by Brickle. Now those were all sample sizes. And then we'll go over this card real quick. And if you check out right here, as you can see, you got the full size prices and then you got the samples. So if you're interested in one of those products, you can order the full size. And that's how it comes on a list like that. And then you also got a couple other things, a couple other tips and tricks and little reasons. A bunch of nonsense really, but it's a cool little card. And after you receive the box, if you go to the website, you can review each product and then you get like points. And then once you accumulate so many points, you can buy something that you like for the full price. So you always want to make sure you review the items on the Birchbox website. They'll ask you to review it and you just tell you how you feel about it, like it, don't like, things like that. That's the Birchbox. It's a pretty quick Minimalist box, $10. You can't beat it. Definitely check out the website. It's one of my favorite boxes. And that's it, guys. Just wanted to show this month's Birchbox, April. And if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe and like this video and leave a comment. You know, ask some questions or share or whatever. But hey, again, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.